Yeah. Hello kid, this is Sir Moy again, and for today's lesson, we are going to discuss about, yes, linear permutation. Pero kung bago ka din sa channel ko, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga math tutorial videos ko. Game? Game. So, ano nga ba yung linear permutation? So, basically, linear permutation is an arrangement of an object in a line. So, ibig sabihin, naka-line siya, kaya linear. So, meron yung dalawang rule. So, rule number 1 and rule number 2. Rule number 1, object taken all at once. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng object natin nandun na, which is NPN or basically n factorial. Rule number 2, object taken are at a time. So, ibig sabihin, for example, let's have an example para mas maintindihan mo. So, suppose 8 horses run a race. So, may 8 kabayo tumatakbo sa race. Letter A, in how many ways can the horses be ranked from first to 8th place? So, tinatanong niya paano daw ilarank yung horses from first to 8th place. So, basically, paano yon? So, 8. So, we have 8p, 8, or 8 factorial. So, what is 8 factorial? So, calculate natin. 8 factorial is 40,320. So, that is 40,320 ways. As simple as that. Observe paano nakuha yung 8 factorial. Kung wala kang calculator, pwede namang 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Ang lalabas lang din naman ay 40,320. That is the number 1 rule. So, lahat kinuha natin 8. Number 2 rule, try naman natin to. If only top 3 finalists can move to the finals, in how many ways can the first, second, and third be awarded? So, tatlo lang yung mapupunta sa finals. So, paano sila awardan yung tatlo? So, in that case, ano na yan? Object taken are at a time. So, ibig sabihin, yung N natin, basically, yung N natin, yung lahat. So, ilan lahat ng horses? 8. Yung R natin, ilan lang yung a-awardan? 3. So, we have 8p 3 is equal to, ano yung 8 natin? N natin. So, 8 factorial divided by 8 minus 3 factorial. So, we have 8 factorial divided by 8 minus 3, that is 5. Tapos, factorial. Pag dinivide mo yan, class, magkakaroon ka dyan ng 336 ways. As simple as that. Sir, paano yan pag wala akong calcu? Paano ito isosolve? Solve natin ng walang calcu. Sige. So, 8. Pwede ko yung 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 factorial tas 5 factorial. Sir, ba't hanggang 5 ka lang? Akala ko ba hanggang 1? Pwede mo namang ituloy yan ng 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tapos ito nasa baba, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 lang. Kaso nga lang, ika-cancel mo lang. So, sayang yung effort mo. So, might as well, hinto mo na dyan kasi ika-cancel mo lang din naman yan. And then, 8 times 7 times 6 is simply 336 ways. Madali lang? Madali lang. Bye, yun lang.